Good day. Welcome to another edition of QuantumPOS training videos. Here we're going to talk about showing the tip and the gratuity on receipts. This particularly works for restaurants. So we've already logged in. We're going to the touchscreen menu. It works on the touchscreen menu for now. We start our shift. So let's say we have a customer who wants, maybe they want some this, and they also want this. Then we save the invoice. Maybe the table is called T1. All right, we've saved the table there. So it means right now we have a table that is running, they haven't paid. Maybe they come back, we open that same table again. We come and we add maybe 2 more Cokes. Their bill is now 20. We can save it again for T1. We can actually open other tables and do the same thing. So it so happens that maybe the customer decides that they want to see the bill before they make a payment. We can go to print code so that we don't confirm the sale. So you can't print code when there's nothing. So what we're supposed to do is first load the table. Remember, T1. We open it, print the code. So here, for the sake of this demo, I'm going to print it here so that you can actually see it as a PDF. In the normal situation, it should print to a receipt printer. So you will see that the total is 20 here. There's a space to put the tip and space to put the total there at the bottom. All right. Now, in the event that this person actually decides to pay 25 for this invoice, and so we want to confirm the sale, we go to enter the tip. The easiest way is to enter how much the customer paid in total. So we can simply say, okay, the customer paid 25. So the tip is 431, and we save that. So the amount paid here is 25. To confirm our sale, right? Just going to show you, in a normal case, to print to your printer, but here I'm printing to PDF so that we can all see it. So you'll see that here the tip is written, the total is 25, so that it's clear how everything went. All right. Now, before we go, the manager may want to then be able to see a report on tips. To say, okay, for a given user on a given period, start date, end date, what were the tips for this user? And you see the report here, the invoice total, the invoice number, who did it, and the tip amount. So you can use this at the end of the month to run your reports, and then you can make your decisions. Thank you so much. Hope you have a pleasant day. Continue to use QuantumPOS. We're available in Southern Africa and multiple countries, and we can come to a country near you. Just get in touch. The numbers are on our pages, YouTube, Facebook, and the website. Thank you.